Decor by my house. And let me show you what they have on clearance, guys. So I'm not sure. This is a foam protector and it's $14.98. And then this is a high performance jug cooler. That's $48. $5 for this dead downwind laundry detergent. $5 for that. These and the wipes, the dryer wipes, dryer sheets, $4.50. So this is golf balls, I think. $15. And here's the nitro. Those are $7. So this is a 75 ball pickup, and that's $9 for that. And they have the golf clubs, 13-piece women's set for $74 and $69 for the men's. So anyway, the Scotch gift wrap tape, the double pack is $3. Then you have this magic sketch for $15, and this foil quill, $4.50. Then guys, you have like this planner for $5, and here it is in the donut for $1, the planner. So here they have another planner, and it's $5. So they have multiple ones here for $5. Then over here you have the photo paper for $11 HP. Then you have these small gift book greeting cards for $4, guys. And then they have this girl, what is that? Die and Design Project, $7. That's pretty cool. Monopoly over there, the Lion King, $29.97. Wow, that's expensive. What is this here? So they have this toy here for $14.98, and then they have this solid wood game. What is that? Solid wood cribbage. I'm not sure what kind of game that is, but it's $5.61, guys. Then you have this one here for $5.56. The Paw Patrol toy for $8.35, and here's a Captain Marvel for $6. Then you have the Ugly Dolls here for $5. And then these are $4. So, okay. Here I'll call Belly Busters, and this is $13. And then this is the Avenger, some kind of Avenger game, and that's $4. And no, this is a toy. Okay. Yeah, that's $4.50. Then this is a Hatching Dragon for $13. So guys, I have this container, $3.50. And what is this? This is another like facial mask toy, $5. That's Black Panther. And we have this toy car here for $30. And what is this? This is the Pioneer Woman. These baskets that I love. These were marked down to $17. Isn't that gorgeous? And then these, let me see what these were marked down to. These are more like totes, $11. So they have the canvas closet organizers for $4.50, and those come in navy blue and pink. And look at this, the laundry. This wound up in clearance. Oh my goodness. So that's $17. I forgot how much that was original price. So here you have your vegetable containers, large produce saver, and those are $5, guys. And here they have them in the smaller ones for $3.50. Then you have the magic bag for $5. And look at this. Is this yes, this is Pioneer Woman drawstring laundry bag for $5. That's a great buy. Underbed store is $7. Here's a food saver. That's $169. I don't know if that's a good price on that, but I know the Pioneer Woman stuff is really cool. Then you have these blankets here with the hood for kids, $9. See, here's one. Those are $9. Have those frames for $7 and $6.50, and the Yankee candles among the wax. What is that? The wax melts? Yeah, those wax melts are $3 for the Yankee candle. That's pretty cool. Then they have that crock pot down there. I'm not sure. I don't see a clearance sticker on it. But look, these dishes over here are $2.50 a piece. So, and then they have the white ones for $1 and the gray ones are $1.50. So then they have that Rubbermaid Produce Fresh. Those containers are $7, $9, $9, and this one is $7. Then these lamps, I don't see a price. Oh, $14.90 for this rose gold one. And then this lamp here is $14.96. Then you have some more of these Woodwick wax melts and cinnamon chai, pumpkin butter. These are all marked down, guys, to $2. Some of them for Then they have this wax melter for $10.73. And then they have some essential oils, but they're missing some. See this? I don't know why people would take some of that. But look at this, guys. Doesn't this remind you of Pioneer Woman? $5.90. It doesn't say it is. I don't know what that is, but it's $5.96. And then that one this is Pioneer Woman, but it doesn't have the top. How do you buy this cup without the top? I mean, this tumbler without the top. Anyway, it's $7.70. Then they have that dish set on the bottom there for $26.95. Then there's garbage cans for $40.40, and then that one over there is $33. Then they have this poster board frame for $11.92. I like the size of it. It's a 27 by 40. That's pretty cool. Oh, and that Cuisinart countertop cooking series cooker, it's a pressure cooker for $150. So guys, I'm just checking out the clearance section here at Walmart by where I live. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.